Hey friends, so today we're going to make a super simple classic vegan cauliflower cheese. So the first thing you do, you're just going to take your cauliflower and you're going to trim away the external leaves. Pull the small florets apart. I'll show you how big you want them exactly. Not about that big, but you're going to pull them all off into that size. So now it's all broken up into chunks just like this. I'm just going to pop a little bit of oil in the pan. Now they're all broken up like that, we've got some oil in the pan, it's nice and hot. We're just going to pop them in the pan and spread them out. They're cooking away, which is beautiful. They're going to get a nice little bit of crisp turn, they're going to soften up a little bit. We're going to make a cheese sauce. We've got half a cup of cashew milk here, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and then we've got just over a cup's worth of vegan shredded cheese here. So we just poured all of that in the pan, and we're just going to melt that really, really gently to make a thick, stringy cheese sauce. We're going to pour it all over the cauliflower and bake it in the oven. So now that the cheese is melted into a lovely, rich, creamy cheese sauce, we're just going to pour that over the top of the cauliflower. Okay, and now all we're going to do, we're going to add that into the oven on 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. It's going to go beautiful and golden brown, it's going to be nice and cheesy. Happy days. So that is your super cheesy, super tasty, baked cauliflower cheese. You can see it's perfectly crisp. That is exactly how I'd like to serve it. So check that out. The recipe will be below. Be nice to each other, and goodbye.